Hello guys, good evening. Mangutana sa kamamagay sa maang gusto nimo.
Gusto.
Gusto nimo na kaunon.
Gusto na ako kaunon?
I'm a fruit.
Foods?
Yes, what is your fruit?
Ano siya nga foods?
I like strawberry.
Fruits?
Yes, fruits.
Gusto na ako ng prutas.
Yes.
Kanang insinitas.
But that is yummy.
Gusto
I
ko-
like broccoli, grapes, and orange apple. And what is this? Banana and corn. I like my favorite. And I strawberry.
Strawberry. Sunod.
And it's no that is healthy fruit.
Healthy foods. That is healthy foods.
You
That's the
wanna
healthy
take
foods.
and out. You can show you that. Yes, yes. My teeth is broken. Yeah, you see? My teeth is broken.
Yes, I see.
I see my teeth. And my mouth is nose.
What happened to my nose?
Is big. Look, and your nose is big. Your nose is too big for me. My nose is small.
Small.
So big. And this is not big. And look at your face. It's white. Can you see your face? Wow, it's white. I like it white. Your face is white. My face? No, I had no white. It's really brown. My mom is white. So,
Bye-bye na ba?
I want to buy myself. Say bye. Say bye. I want to go to sleep.